Hello students, welcome back to chapter 9 Rational Numbers. Today we will study operations on rational numbers. That is the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers. First we can see how rational numbers can be added. Two rational numbers with the same denominator can be added by adding their numerators, keeping the denominators same. That means if denominators are same, the rational numbers can be added by adding their numerators. For example, 3 upon 4 can be added with 1 upon 4. That is, 4 is the common denominator, then we can add the numerator. That is 4 upon 4. 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. So if the denominators are the same, the rational numbers can be added by adding their numerators. Two rational numbers with different denominators are added by first taking the LCM of the two denominators and then converting both the rational numbers to their equivalent forms, having the LCM as the denominator. That means if you want to add two rational numbers with different denominators, first what you have to do is take the LCM of the denominators and keep the denominators same. Then we can add the numerator. For example, 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. So here what you have to do, LCM you have to take, that is LCM of 3 and 5, 15. So LCM it is 15. So now we can add it. So 3 into 5, 15, then 2 also into 5 plus 1 into 3 upon 5 into 3. That's equal to 10 upon 15 plus 3 upon 15. So 15 is the common denominator. Then 10 plus 3, 13 upon 15. This is how we can add two rational numbers with different denominators. Second one, subtraction. By subtracting two rational numbers, we add the additive inverse of the rational numbers to be subtracted to the other rational number. So what you have to do? We add the additive inverse of the rational number to be subtracted to the other rational number. For example, 1 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3. What you have to do is, this is a number to be subtracted. We can add, so this minus sign changes to plus, additive inverse of 2 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. This is the procedure. So you have to add the additive inverse of the rational number to be subtracted. Now you know the steps how to add it. Take the LCM, make the denominator same, and then we can add it. Now multiplication. To multiply two rational numbers, we multiply their numerators and denominators separately and write the product as the product of numerators upon the product of denominators. For example, in multiplication, 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 2. What you have to do is, multiply the numerator and write it as a numerator, multiply the denominator and write it as the denominator. 3 into 1, 3, 5 into 10, 5 into 2, 10. This is how we can multiply rational numbers. To divide one rational number by other non-zero rational number, we multiply the rational number by the reciprocal of the other. That means for division. For example, 7 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 4. 7 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 4. So the dividend keep as it is, then division change to multiplication, and reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of 3 upon 4, it is 4 upon 3. Numerator and denominator interchanged. Now 7 into 4 upon 2 into 3. We can do the simplification if it is possible. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Then 7 twos are 14 upon 3. This is the answer. Okay. So I hope you have understood how to add, subtract, multiply or divide rational numbers. Now we can start with exercise 9.2. 9.2 question 1. Find the sum. It's in page number 190. 190. Find the sum 5 upon 4 plus minus 11 upon 4. Now see, in 5 upon 4 and minus 11 upon 4, denominators are the same. 4 is the denominator. So keep the denominator same as 4. Now add the numerator. 5 plus minus 11. You know that what is 5 plus minus 11? You will get it as minus 6 upon 4. So minus 6 upon 4 is the answer. Now see, minus 6 upon 4 we can simplify. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Minus 3 upon 2. It can be written as minus 1, 1 upon 2. Okay. Now question 2. 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. Here denominators are different. So LCM of 3 and 5 is equal to 15. Now keep the LCM as the denominator, as the common denominator. Then find the equivalent fraction and then we can add. 5 upon 3 is equal to 3 into 5, 5 into 5. 25 upon 15. 3 upon 5 equivalent fraction. 5 into 3. Then 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is the numerator. 9 upon 15. So 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 25 upon 15 plus 9 upon 15. 15 common denominator. 25 plus 9. 34 upon 15. That point we can write 34 upon 15 can be written as 2, 4 upon 15. 2 and 4 upon 15. Okay. Third one. Minus 9 upon 10 plus 22 upon 15. So LCM of 10 and 15 I found there. It is 30. So minus 9 upon 10 can be written as minus 9 into 3 upon 10 into 3. 30 is the denominator. Minus 27 upon 30. 22 upon 15. 22 into 2 upon 15 into 2. That is 44 upon 30. So when you add denominator same. Minus 27 plus 44 upon 30. You will get 17 upon 30. That's the answer. Fourth one. Minus 3 upon minus 11 plus 5 upon 9. So LCM of 11 and 9, 99. So minus 3 upon minus 11. So minus 11 denominator to be changed to 99. So you have to multiply by 9. So minus 11 into 9. Numerator minus 3 into 9. We get minus 27 upon minus 99. That can be written as 27 upon 99. Both are positive rational number. So 5 upon 9. 9 into 11 you will get 99. Then 5 into 11 55. When you add you will get 27 plus 55 upon 99. 82 upon 99 is the answer. In fifth one. Minus 8 upon 19 plus minus 2 upon 57. 19 and 57 are the denominators. LCM of 19 and 57, it is 57. So keep the denominator as 57. So here the first rational number you have to multiply by 3 on both numerator and denominator. Then we get minus 24 upon 57. So here 57 is the denominator. So we can add the numerators. Minus 24 plus minus 2 upon 57, that is minus 26 upon 57. Now question 6, minus 2 upon 3 plus 0, that you can do by own, because when you add 0 to any rational number, the answer will be the same rational number. And here minus 7th one, minus 2 1 upon 3 plus 4 3 upon 5. So this can be written as minus 7 upon 3 plus 23 upon 5. Now you find the LCM and then add the rational numbers. So in question 1, that is find the sum, I solved 5 sums here on the board. Then 6 and 7 you have to try. Now question 2, that is find 7 upon 24, that is the subtraction. 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. In subtraction, I told you how to do. You have to take the additive inverse of the rational number to be subtracted. Then add it with the first rational number. So this can be written as 7 upon 24 minus, change it into plus, additive inverse of 17 upon 36 minus 17 upon 36. Okay. Now find out the LCM of 24 and 36 and keep the denominator same. That means keep the LCM as the denominator and then add. LCM of 24 and 36, it is 72. So here how to do it? 24 into, how to change 24 to 72? Which number you have to multiply? 24 multiplied by 3. So 7 also to be multiplied by 3 plus 36 multiplied by 2 minus 17 multiplied by 2. That's equal to 21 upon 72 plus minus 34 upon 72. Answer will be minus, we can add, keep the denominator same, 72, then 21 plus minus 34. That is minus 13 upon 72. Minus 13 upon 72, that's the answer. I hope it's clear to you. So if you want, you can do it separately also. First you can write 7 upon 24 is equal to 21 upon 72. Then the next rational number, find out the equivalent and then add it. Otherwise in one step also you can do it. See the second question. 5 upon 63 minus 6 upon 21. LCM of 63 and 21, it is 63 because 63 is the multiple of 21. So 63 will be the LCM. Now 5 upon 63 minus 6 upon 21 is equal to, you have to add the additive inverse. So 5 upon 63 plus additive inverse of minus 6 upon 21 is plus 6 upon 21. Now LCM 63. So here 63 itself is the denominator, 63 into 1, 5 into 1. Then 21 to be changed, equivalent fraction. So 21 multiplied by 3. So 6 also to be multiplied by 3. We get 5 upon 63 plus 6 into 3, 18 upon 63. 63, then 5 plus 18 is the numerator, that is 23 upon 63 is the answer. See, after question 3, after solving question 2, I solved question 5. That is 3 and 4. You have to try. Which one? In question 2, 3 and 4. You have to try. Now question 5 you see. Minus 2 1 upon 9 minus 6. Minus 2 1 upon 9 can be written as 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19 minus 19 upon 9 minus 6 can be written as 6 upon 1. Now minus 19 upon 9 plus additive inverse of 6 upon 1 minus 6 upon 1. LCM of 9 and 1, it is 9. So common denominator as 9. Here minus 6 multiplied by 9, so 1 also multiplied by 9. We get minus 19 upon 9 plus minus 54 upon 9. So 9 is the common denominator, minus 19 plus minus 54. We get minus 73 upon 9, that can be written as minus 8 1 upon 9. Now question 3, find the product. So we have done how to add and how to subtract. Now how to find out the product. First question. 9 upon 2 multiplied by minus 7 upon 4. So how to multiply rational numbers? First multiply the numerator and write it as a numerator. Multiply the denominator and write it as the denominator. Here the numerators are 9 and minus 7. So we can write 9 into minus 7 upon 2 into 4. Okay. If you can make any simplification that you have to do, here it's not possible. So multiply 9 into minus 7, minus 63 upon 8. So minus 63 upon 8, that can be written as minus 7 upon 8. And if you write this also, it is right. Okay. Minus 63 upon 8, that is also right. Now second question. 3 upon 10 multiplied by minus 9. It can be written as 3 upon 10 multiplied by minus 9 upon 1. So multiply the numerator, 3 into minus 9 upon 10 into 1. That's equal to minus 27 upon 10. That can be written as minus 2, 7 upon 10. Okay. Now listen to question 3. Minus 6 upon 5 multiplied by 9 upon 11. So numerators are minus 6 and 9. Minus 6 into 9 upon 5 into 11. Minus 6 into 9. 6 9s are 54. Minus 54 upon 55. Fourth question, same way. 3 upon 7 into minus 2 upon 5. Numerators 3 and minus 2. 3 into minus 2 upon 7 into 5. 3 2s are 6. Minus 6 upon 35. Similar way, you can try question 5 and question 6. So I solve 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 5 is 3 upon 11 into 2 upon 5. So multiply 3 into 2 upon 11 into 5. Question 6, 3 upon minus 5 into minus 5 upon 3. So here also 3 into minus 5 upon minus 5 into 3. There you can cancel 5 and 5. Minus 5 and minus 5. Then 3 and 3. So final answer you will get it as 1 in question 6. Okay. Now we can start with question 4. Question 4. Find the value of minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3. Here it is division. So in division what we have to do? You have to multiply with the reciprocal. Reciprocal of the divisor, that is 2 upon 3. So here this can be written as minus 4 upon 1 minus 4 upon 1 multiplied by reciprocal of 2 upon 3, 3 upon 2. Now you know how to do. Minus 4 into 3 upon 1 into 2. See here, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So answer you will get minus 2 into 3 upon 1 into 1. That's equal to minus 6 upon 1. That's equal to minus 6. So minus 6 is the answer. Is that clear? Now second question. Minus 3 upon 5 divided by 2. So minus 3 upon 5 as it is. Then in place of division, multiplication, reciprocal of 2, 1 upon 2. That can be written as minus 3 into 1 upon 5 into 2. So answer will be minus 3 upon 10. Okay. Now question 3. Minus 4 upon 5 divided by minus 3. So minus 4 upon 5 divided by minus 3 can be written as minus 3 upon 1. Then minus 4 upon 5. Division changed to multiplication. Reciprocal of minus 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon 3. So multiply the numerators. Minus 4 into minus 1 upon 5 into 3. Minus into minus become plus. 4 into 1, 4. 5 into 3, 15. So 4 upon 15 is the answer. Fourth one. Minus 1 upon 8 divided by 3 upon 4. Minus 1 upon 8 multiplied by 3 upon 4. Reciprocal is 4 upon 3. Then minus 1 into 4 upon 8 into 3. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4 upon 8 into 3, 24. Minus 4 upon 24, the simplest form, minus 1 upon 6. If you want here also you can simplify. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 6. Then also you will get minus 1 upon 6. Now question 5. Minus 2 upon 13 divided by 1 upon 7. Minus 2 upon 13 multiplied by 1 upon 7, reciprocally 7 upon 1. Then minus 2 into 7 upon 13 into 1. That is minus 14 upon 13 can be written as minus 1, 1 upon 13. Sixth one. Minus 7 upon 12 divided by minus 2 upon 13. Minus 7 upon 12, reciprocal of minus 2 upon 13, minus 13 upon 2. Then minus 7 into minus 13 upon 12 into 2. Minus into minus plus we get 7 into 13, 91 upon 24. Can be written as 3, 19 upon 24. Now question 7. 3 upon 13 divided by minus 4 upon 65. 3 upon 13 multiplied by minus 65 upon 4. Now 3 into minus 65 upon 13 into 4. So here we can simplify. 13 ones are 13, 13 fives are 65. So it can be written as 3 into minus 5 upon 1 into 4. So that's equal to minus 15 upon 4. And minus 15 upon 4 can be written as 3. So minus 3, 3 upon 4. That is the answer. Is that clear? I hope exercise 9.2 is clear to you. Solve all the sums in your notebook and then practice it. Thank you.